Have you been hitting the gym consistently, pushing heavy weights, and following the same routine, but your muscles just refuse to grow? Don't worry, you're not alone. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll uncover the exact reasons your muscles aren't growing, and, most importantly, how to fix them for explosive gains. Welcome back to Health Tips. If you're serious about achieving your dream physique, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving deep into why your muscles are stubbornly refusing to grow, and what you can do to turn things around starting today. Stay tuned, because the fourth reason might completely shock you. 1. You're not eating enough calories. Muscle growth starts in the kitchen. You might think you're eating a lot, but chances are you're not eating enough. Your body needs a calorie surplus to repair and grow muscle tissue. Without adequate fuel, it's like trying to build a house without bricks. Let's break it down. Every workout creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers. To repair these tears, your body needs protein, carbs, and fats. If you're not giving your body more energy than it burns, there's no material to rebuild those muscles bigger and stronger. Here's what to do. 1. Track your calories for at least a week. Use apps like MyFitnessPal. 2. Calculate your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, and aim to eat 200-300 calories above it. 3. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods, like lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and lots of vegetables. Are you still thinking calories don't matter? Then ask yourself, why do bodybuilders eat 6 meals a day? The answer lies in energy balance, and we'll discuss how to fine-tune this later in the video. 2. Inconsistent progressive overload. Muscle growth thrives on a concept called progressive overload. If you're lifting the same weights for the same reps week after week, you're not giving your body a reason to adapt. Muscles grow when they're challenged beyond their comfort zone. Think about this. Would you get smarter by reading the same book over and over? Of course not. Similarly, your muscles need new stimuli to grow. Here's how you can fix this. Gradually increase the weight you're lifting, even if it's by just 1-2 pounds per week. Add more reps or sets over time. Slow down the tempo of your lifts for greater time under tension. If you're not keeping a workout log, you're missing out on tracking your progress and your results. Are you lifting more than you did last month? If not, it's time to level up. 3. Lack of sleep and recovery. Here's a shocking fact. Your muscles don't grow in the gym, they grow when you're resting. Sleep is when your body releases growth hormone, repairs damaged tissues, and builds new muscle. If you're skimping on sleep, you're sabotaging your gains. Studies show that 7-9 hours of quality sleep is ideal for recovery. But it's not just about the hours, it's also about sleep quality. Waking up tired? Fix your sleep hygiene. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Limit screen time 1 hour before bed to avoid blue light disrupting your melatonin levels. Optimize your sleep environment. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Think you can out-train bad recovery habits? Think again. Sleep is free, yet it's one of the most underrated tools for muscle growth. 4. Poor exercise form. Your muscles can't grow if you're not properly targeting them. Poor form leads to compensations, where other muscles take over the workload, leaving your target muscles underdeveloped. For example, when doing a bench press, are your triceps doing all the work instead of your chest? Or during squats, are your quads stealing the spotlight from your glutes? Here's how to fix it. 1. Lower the weight to focus on technique. Ego lifting won't help you grow. 2. Use full range of motion for every exercise. Half reps equal half results. 3. Record your workouts to spot form issues you might not notice in the mirror. Mastering proper form isn't just about looking good in the gym, it's about maximizing every rep for the gains you deserve. 5. Not enough protein in your diet. Protein is the building block of muscles, and without enough, your body simply can't repair and grow. Even if you're eating enough calories, your progress will stall if protein intake is low. The general rule of thumb is to consume 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. However, some athletes may need slightly more, especially during intense training cycles. Great sources of protein include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and beef, plant-based options like lentils, tofu, and quinoa, high-quality protein powders for convenience. Pro tip: spread your protein intake evenly throughout the day to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Are you getting enough protein in every meal? Don't skip the most important nutrient for muscle growth. 6. Neglecting compound movements. If your workouts are full of bicep curls and crunches, but missing squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, you're holding yourself back. Compound exercises engage multiple muscle groups, allowing you to lift heavier weights and stimulate more muscle fibers. Here's why compound lifts are king. They build overall strength, which translates to better performance in isolation exercises. They save time by working multiple muscles at once. They boost anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. Prioritize these lifts in your routine and watch your progress skyrocket. Still think isolation exercises are enough? Remember, compound lifts are the foundation of every strong physique. 7. Ignoring cardio and mobility. While cardio and mobility might seem unrelated to muscle growth, they're crucial for long-term success. Cardio improves your cardiovascular health, ensuring better blood flow and nutrient delivery to your muscles. Mobility work, on the other hand, prevents injuries and enhances your range of motion, allowing you to lift more effectively. Here's how to incorporate both. Add 2-3 sessions of low-intensity cardio each week to complement your weight training. Spend 10 minutes a day on dynamic stretches and foam rolling. Don't wait until an injury forces you to care about mobility. Train smart now for gains that last a lifetime. 8. Lack of consistency and patience. Muscle growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Too many people quit before seeing results because they expect instant transformations. But here's the truth: consistency beats intensity over the long term. Here's your action plan. Stick to a well-structured workout program for at least 8-12 weeks. Avoid program hopping, which can stall your progress. Track small victories, whether it's lifting heavier, doing more reps, or feeling stronger. If you're not consistent, you're not giving your body a chance to adapt. Don't give up before the magic happens. Now that you know the 8 major reasons why your muscles aren't growing and how to fix them, it's time to take action. No more guessing, no more frustration, just smart, strategic training and nutrition. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you crush your fitness goals. And remember, fitness is a journey. Stay consistent, and the results will come. What's stopping you from achieving your dream physique? Let me know in the comments below, and let's tackle it together.